If you're in your 40s and feeling like it's time to diversify your income and take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into some actionable ways you can build multiple income streams online, even if you're starting from scratch. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, stay tuned because these tips could be game changers for your financial life. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is freelancing in your area of expertise. Freelancing is a fantastic way to monetize skills that you already have, whether it's writing, graphic design, marketing, or even project management. Platforms like Upwork.com and Fiverr.com connect you directly with clients looking for your expertise, and it's a great way to start earning quickly without a big upfront investment. Think of it as a way to get paid for what you already know. I recommend that you start by creating a highly professional profile that showcases your skills and your experience. Make sure you add a portfolio or examples of your work, even if you need to create mock projects to showcase your skills. Now, once you land your first few clients, I recommend that you use their feedback and testimonials to build your reputation and increase your rates. For example, if you spent years in HR, you can offer resume writing services, career coaching, or interview preparation. The possibilities are endless, and the beauty is that you control your workload and your pricing. Many freelancers grow their side gig into a full-time business over time. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to create and sell online courses. If you have good knowledge in a particular area, be it baking, marketing, or even personal finance, you can create online courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Online learning is booming and people are very eager to pay for courses that can help them to learn new skills or improve existing ones. I suggest that you start by identifying your niche. Then I recommend you create an outline for your course and plan your content to be really engaging and highly valuable. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a clear teaching style and a smartphone can really get you started. Now, don't forget to include practical examples, downloadable resources, and assignments to keep your students highly engaged. For instance, if you've worked in sales for many years, you could create a course on mastering cold calling or closing deals. With every course that is sold, you earn passive income while sharing your expertise with a global audience, which can be incredibly rewarding and profitable. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is to start a YouTube channel or podcast. Starting a YouTube channel or a podcast is an excellent way to build a brand, share your knowledge, and generate income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You don't need to be a celebrity to succeed. Niche content is in demand, and there's an audience for almost every topic. Consistency is the key, so I recommend that you post regularly and engage with your audience and focus on delivering really good value. You can monetize your channel once you hit the required number of subscribers and watch hours, but the real opportunity lies in using your platform to promote your services, your online courses, or even affiliate products. For example, if you love gardening, you could create content around growing vegetables in small spaces. You can then monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships from gardening brands, or by promoting affiliate links to products that you use and that you highly recommend. It's a long game, but with dedication, it can become a substantial income stream. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. You don't need to create your own products. Instead, you earn money every time someone buys through your unique referral link. This can be done through your blog, your social media such as your Instagram and TikTok, or even YouTube videos. Now, to help you get started, I highly recommend that you join some good affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, ClickBank, or Commission Junction. I then recommend that you choose products that align really well with your niche and generally add really good value to your audience. I then suggest that you create content that solves problems and seamlessly integrates these products as part of the solution. For example, If you run a blog about fitness, you could recommend exercise gear or supplements. Each purchase made through your links puts money in your pocket without any extra effort on your part, beyond creating highly engaging content. It's a great way to generate passive income over time. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is self-publishing ebooks. If you have expertise and knowledge, experiences, or even a unique story to tell, self-publishing an ebook can be a lucrative income stream. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can easily publish your work and reach a global audience without a traditional publisher. I suggest that you start by identifying a topic that interests your audience and that has a lot of demand and fills a gap in the market. I then recommend you create a compelling outline and write your content with your reader in mind, and you focus on providing really good value and practical insights. I then recommend that you design a professional cover and format your book to ensure it looks polished and highly appealing. Let me give you an example. An example might be writing a guide on career transitions in your 40s, sharing personal tips, case studies, and actionable advice. Now, once published, your ebook generates passive income whenever someone purchases it. Plus, it positions you as an authority within your niche, opening doors to more opportunities. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is print-on-demand merchandise. Print-on-demand, or POD, is a low-risk way to create and sell custom merchandise without dealing with inventory. You simply design products like t-shirts, phone cases, or mugs, and when someone buys, the product is printed and shipped directly to them. Sites like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring make this process very simple. I recommend that you choose a niche that resonates with a specific audience, like motivational quotes for professionals or pet-themed designs for animal lovers. I then recommend that you focus on creating unique, really eye-catching designs that appeal to your target market. The key is to differentiate your products with a specific style or message. Let me give you an example. For example, if you're passionate about fitness, you could create gym-themed designs with motivational slogans. You earn a profit from each sale without having to invest in inventory or worry about shipping logistics. Over time, a successful POD business can generate significant income as you build a loyal customer base. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants, or VAs, are in high demand as more businesses go online. If you're organised and have skills in administration, customer service, or even digital marketing, you can offer your services to entrepreneurs and small businesses that need help managing day-to-day tasks. I recommend that you start by defining your services such as email management, social media scheduling, bookkeeping, or customer support. Platforms like Belay and Time etc. and even Upwork.com can connect you with clients looking for part-time assistance. Virtual assisting allows you to set your own hours, making it ideal if you're balancing other responsibilities. For instance, you could offer specialized services like social media management for busy professionals, helping them grow their online presence while they focus on their core business. The more niche your service is, the easier it will be for you to stand out and command higher rates, turning this into a scalable business over time. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to create a subscription-based membership. If you have valuable content or expertise that people would pay for regularly, consider creating a subscription-based membership. This could be anything from a private newsletter, exclusive videos, or a community forum where members receive regular updates, online resources, and personal interactions with you. Platforms like Patreon, Substack, and Memberful make it very easy to set up a membership site. Your main task is to consistently deliver high-quality exclusive content that justifies the subscription cost. I recommend that you build a loyal audience first and then introduce the membership as a way to get even more value. For example, if you're a career coach, you could offer a monthly membership with live Q&A sessions, exclusive job market insights, and resume reviews. This model provides recurring revenue, and as your membership grows, so does your income, allowing you to create a sustainable long-term business. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to start a blog and monetize it. Blogging is a tried and true way to create multiple income streams, from ad revenue to sponsored posts and affiliate marketing. I recommend that you start by choosing a niche that you're passionate about and has a proven audience. I then recommend that you write highly engaging, informative content consistently to attract visitors and build authority. Monetization can happen in several ways. Through Google AdSense, ads, sponsored content where brands pay you to review their products, or even by promoting affiliate products. It takes time to build traffic, but once you have a steady flow of readers, the potential to earn from your blog is very significant. For example, if you're passionate about personal finance, you could create articles on budgeting, investing, or saving for retirement. As your readership grows, so do the opportunities for monetization, turning your blog into a profitable online business that earns money while you sleep. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to invest in digital real estate, buying and flipping websites. Investing in digital real estate, like buying and flipping websites, is a less conventional but highly profitable way to generate online income. Just like flipping houses, you purchase underperforming websites, improve them, and then sell them at higher prices. Websites with established traffic and revenue streams are particularly valuable and can fetch a significant return on investment. I recommend that you start by looking for undervalued websites on marketplaces like Flipper or Empire Flippers. I then recommend that you analyse their traffic, revenue potential, and areas for improvement, such as SEO optimization, content upgrades, or design tweaks. A small investment of time and money can dramatically increase a site's value, making it ready for resale at a profit. For example, you could buy a niche blog, generating a small income, revamp its content, improve monetization through better ads or affiliate links, and sell it for a higher price. Some investors even hold onto improved sites for passive income, treating them like digital rental properties. It's a flexible way to build an additional income stream while leveraging your current skills in digital marketing and business growth. Okay, so there you have it, 10 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.